So I'm Tristan, and I live in Florida, Kissimmee, and I like coding and programming, and I like to build stuff.
Okay, so what do you say about the
And
camp?
I think the course is really good. It's Unity and everything else. I think it's really nice. You get to build stuff, and yeah, I guess that's it.
Thank you, Tristan. Thank you for that lovely feedback. Yeah, Finn, we would like, do you have, I'm interested, do you have your parents with you
No.
to get us some feedback?
Yeah.
Hi.
Finn, I'm getting back to you. We'll finish up with Tristan, right? Yes, sir.
Yes, I thought the course was very interesting. Of course, 1 week is just basically scratching the surface, but I think for the young minds, it's something very interesting. You see how things work in the background, coding, and you see the result of it, right? The graphics is what's holding the attention of the kids. So, will I allow Tristan to pursue this? Absolutely. So, we're looking forward to a journey with you guys.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot for that lovely feedback. Yeah, Finn, can we have you on the stage with your parents?